Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to dive into an exciting open source project that makes waves in the AI community, and it's called a GaiaNet Node. Okay, so if you are interested in decentralized AI agents, this one might be of interest of yours, right? So, a GaiaNet Node is a project designed to help you install and run your own AI agent service. So let's break it down and to see what makes this project so special. Okay. So first, let's look at what a Gaia network is. So it's a decentralized computing infrastructure that allows individuals and businesses to create, deploy, and scale and monetize their AI agents. Imagine having your own AI assistant that's tailored to your special needs. Okay, so here's a quick breakdown on how it works. So all this short picture is showing you in a nutshell, what this project can do for you. Okay. So GaiaNet provides a decentralized network, meaning that there is no single point of control. This enhances security and reliability, making it a robust solution for AI applications. I can give you some documentations here as well, so you can see it. There's I'll be including the link to it, inside the description of that video. Okay. So each node offers a special API services. This services combines a fine-tuned language model, a domain-specific knowledge base, and an interface app to manage conversation, context, and history. Okay, this setup ensures that AI agent can understand and respond to queries accurately, making it a powerful tool for various applications. One of the standout features of Gaia Node is the compatibility. The API service is fully compatible with OpenAI JSON spec, making it an excellent alternative backend for OpenAI-based frontends or for agents. So installing a Gaia Node is straightforward. Okay, here is the piece of code if you want to go ahead and start it off. Okay, you can install the default Node software stack with a single command on Mac, Linux, or Windows WSL. The setup process involves initializing the node, which downloads the necessary model and database files. Customization is another key feature. Users can configure their nodes with different node models or knowledge bases to suit their specific needs. Whether you are developing a customer service bot or personal assistant or specialist AI for research, GaiaNet Node offers the flexibility to tailor your AI agents to your requirements. So in summary, Gaia Node is a powerful and flexible solution for anyone looking to harness the power of centralized AI agents. With its easy installation, compatibility, and customization options, it's a project worth exploring. So I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, guys. I will be leaving the link to this project inside the description of this video. I encourage you to go and have a look here if you want. If you want, you can even contribute into it. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to comment, please leave it below. So thanks again for watching. Bye now.